Hey, if you want to send your live location to anyone on the WhatsApp, let's say that I want to do this for this chat, I have to click on this icon and then select my live location. For sure, you have to enable location on your phone by clicking on this icon from the quick settings. And also, if you have any issues, you will have to go into the settings of the WhatsApp application and check for the permissions. Just be sure that location is activated. Now you will have to click to share a live location and tap to continue. Then you can share it for 15 minutes, 1 hour, 8 hours, and also add comments. For example, follow me and click to send. And as you can see, now you are sharing your live location with this contact. Now when you click on it, that's how it looks. You can also stop sharing by tapping right here. And also you can change the map view, the satellite view. You can also show the terrain or also show some traffic. So that's quite simple, and that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.